In this video, you're going to learn how to create a plan. If you're new, welcome to Shannie Says. I'm Shannie, and this channel is dedicated to helping you plan, organize, and budget better. Adulting at its best. So if you're interested in these types of videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell button so you're notified whenever I post. Now, before we get into learning how to create a plan, we need to understand why we need a plan. Now, I'm sure you've heard the old saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And I know, as cliche as that may sound, it is absolutely correct. Having a plan saves time and resources, it increases your chances of success, and it acts as a map to get you to your destination or your ultimate goal. So let's get into some of the tools that you need or may find helpful when creating a plan. The first thing I want to mention is Trello. Now, this app is amazing, guys. There's Trello.com. If you go on to Trello.com, you can actually sign up and create an account and manage your boards and everything from the website. But if you're like me and you like things to be more accessible, then you can go ahead and download the app onto your phone. Like I said, it's amazing. It allows you to basically just organize your life, get your life together. So another thing I love to use is a planner, and I haven't always had a planner, but the minute I started using planners, my life has changed completely. And this year, I think I have the best planner ever. I don't know if you guys can see that. But this year, my planner is so much better than my other planners. Like, I feel as though I keep getting deeper and deeper into this. I love this planner. It's from Blum, and if you're in the Bahamas in Nassau, then you can go ahead and purchase it from this boutique called House of Hannah. They're so amazing. Now, if you're not interested in all of the fancy stuff and you want to keep it simple, you're not interested in being so detailed when it comes to planning, then that's fine. You can also use the Notes app on your phone. So I know this video is probably already too long, so I'm not going to keep you too much longer. I'm going to quickly give you my 4 tips or 4 steps in creating a plan. And the first one is to be clear on your ultimate goal. If you don't know what the ultimate goal, the end result is that you want, you won't know how to create a plan. You won't be able to create a plan because you won't know what it is that you're planning for. And if you're interested, I actually did a video on how to create a dream or a vision board, and it simply serves the purpose of giving you a visual of your goal so that you can keep reminding yourself and keep looking back on it. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that video. I'll put it down below in the description. The second tip is to make sure that you start to write your goals down. Make sure you write all of your goals down. You want to set smaller goals and make sure that they all connect to the bigger goal, and they're all going to propel you to that ultimate goal. So write down all of your goals. Make sure you set milestones and that you set smaller goals, because it can be overwhelming just thinking about the bigger picture, seeing where you are now or where you want to be. And if you don't know how to create smaller goals from your bigger goal, then I also did another video that you can check out too, so I'll leave the link to that down below as well. Now, the third thing you need to do is create a realistic timeline by scheduling all of the steps that you need to take. And this is where all of the tools, the planner, the checklist, your notebook, whatever it is that you're using, you can use all of these tools to schedule all of the steps that you need to take to get to your ultimate goal. Now, creating a dream board is all fine, but you can't dream your way into your goals. You can't dream your goals into fruition. So you want to make sure that you write everything down into your planner or whatever the tool is that you're using. You write everything down, but make sure that every task has a due date. Because if you don't put a due date, you're going to always say, okay, I didn't do this today, so I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it next week. I'll start that next month. And if you keep on pushing it back, and not actually giving it an actual due date, you're never going to attain the goal. Let's be real. You're never going to reach your goal. So my ultimate goal is to be healthy, overall health. And my smaller goals that I broke it down into include having healthy skin and hair and nails, being a vegan, having my body right. Then I would need to set plans with due dates. If I want clear skin, I need to go out there and buy the products that will give me clear skin. I need to create a regimen. So if I want clear skin, okay, I'll write it down. Create my regimen by next week Tuesday. Make sure that I have all of the necessary items, or I've bought the necessary items by next week Thursday when I get paid. You want to make sure that you set those tasks and that you have a due date as to when you should get them done. So now that you have your plan, the last thing you need to do is take action. Go there and just do it. Now I know that it's easier said than done, so make sure that you subscribe and that you stay tuned for my next video where we're going to learn how to take action and how to actually achieve these goals. So I hope you found this video to be helpful, and do me a favor and comment down below some of the things that you use to set goals and create your plans and organize your daily life. I'd love to know what you use, and maybe I can go ahead and check them out as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. But remember, Shannie says, don't stress, pursue success.